Are you ready? Are you ready for some food? Good job! You want some more? Here you go. Here you go.
That's very thick.
Oh, it is really thick. Good job!
Do you want some food?
Do you want some food?
Here.
Mmm.
Good job!
Good job! All right, Dill Dill. Here you go.
Your mom could drink a little milk.
Good job, Dilly.